Howdy folks, this is a Mr. Chris Productions handyman service advice. Some of you folks may have the Lowe's brand Harbor Breeze ceiling fans. Now when the ceiling fan blades on this particular model, and I think this is the Plantation, I can't find the owner's manual or nothing for this, excuse the shake, there's a cover that blocks the access to the tightening screws, which are located right under there. To get access to those screws, you do not want to remove this by turning it. You want to unscrew these little nuts right there, there, and on the other side here. One more right in there. And have someone else hold it here and then lower it, and then you can gain access to those screws. There's a secondary little cover underneath there that you have to unscrew as well, but that's how it's removed. And then it has a little wire plug that plugs into the upper portion, this piece here. Do not trust yourself, do not let the wire support the weight of it. Hold the weight here, and then you can adjust and then tighten the blade mounts here and there. Again, Lowe's brand Harbor Breeze. Did not find any downloadable owner's manuals on the internet. Should have kept mine. Again, that's mine, Harbor Breeze.